Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be going over a company that just barely IPO'd today, and that's Rocket Companies. Now basically what I'm going to be doing is giving you my opinion on whether I think this company is a buy or not at this time, but first, leave in the comment section down below if you've gotten into this company and what price you got in for. I'm really curious. I'm sure many of you might be wondering what is Rocket Companies, and you're probably wondering that because it's a parent company, and many of you will probably recognize one of its main subsidiaries, which is Quicken Loans, but to go along with that, it has 11 other companies that it's operating. So this company has a grip on the market far from just the loan side of things. So getting right into the analysis of this, spoiler alert, it's going to be a buy. And as you can see, analysts are agreeing with me as they say that the price target over the next 3 to 5 years could be $48 to $220, with that $220 being about 1,000% upside. So 1,000% in 3 to 5 years, that sounds great to me. As you can see, the company expected to sell 150 million shares, although this number isn't exactly how it ended up going. I believe they sold about 100 million shares, which is actually good for the investor who's looking into buying this stock because it means that there's less shares, therefore the price can easily fly on a lower float. They also planned the initial offering price of $20 to $22, and this also didn't go as planned. It started out this morning right around $18 or $19, although now it's up to about 21, but it's still right where they imagined their initial offering price being, so you're getting a great deal even if you didn't catch it this morning. In an interview recently done with the CEO of the company, he said all the right things. He said he's looking to use the stock as a currency to search out more deals and expand the company, which is exactly what a shareholder would want to see for future growth. And to go along with that, there's currently $11 trillion worth of mortgages in the market up for grabs. So this company has a great chance to steal a lot of that. Looking at the company's price, like I was talking about earlier, it started out the day around 18. Unfortunately, I didn't catch it there, and it's gotten as high as about $23. So it's already showing some strength early on, and it was up in the after hours, which is great. And I assume we'll see an even higher jump as after hours continues on. I'm currently recording this around 4:30. So as it gets on news stations and other finance reports, I think we'll see this skyrocket. Another great sign that I'm seeing is a volume of 108 million shares. That just shows great interest from investors early on. And you always want to have a liquid stock with a high volume, so that's great. The last reason why I love this stock is just how hot IPOs have been this year. This website shows the last 100 IPOs, and if you just take a quick look over the return, you'll see the majority of these are positive, with many of them being over 100% positive. And the latest and greatest example of this would be Lemonade stock. As you can see, on their first day, they skyrocketed up to about $70, and they've held that pretty strong ever since. In all, this is a company that I personally have invested in and have convinced many of my family members to invest in because I really believe in it, and I think we'll see a jump really quickly as well as a long-term growth because this company is just so grossly overvalued. If you guys want to see more of these types of videos where I go over a stock and give you my opinion on whether you should buy it or not, then let me know in the comments down below, and let me know any companies that you might want me to do this for. Also, please remember to like and subscribe if I helped you out in any way, or if you've never heard of this company before and I introduced it to you. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.